there are a variety of courses to choose from. Then why IPM? Why IIM? You see, this word IIM, it's not just a word, it's a legacy and it's a world. No matter what background you come from, science, humanities, or commerce, IPM has its doors open for you. This is the beauty of this program. We get to learn 45 plus subjects in a span of 5 years. From statistics, mathematics and economics to philosophy, psychology and political science, we've got it all. We even have coding. Therefore, we get an exposure to a variety of subjects and get tremendous knowledge. If you want a managerial career or haven't yet decided, then IPM can be the best decision that you could ever take. If you want that big shot corporate job, a career in finance, HR or marketing, then IPM is for you. The efficiency and beauty of this program is not just exhaustive to corporate jobs. IPM provides you enough knowledge to be an excellent entrepreneur. What if you fall for a subject, say statistics, economics or some humanities subject? No problem. After 3 years, you could leave with a bachelor's degree and pursue masters in what you like. See, you have got one life. सिर्फ एक ज़िंदगी है आपके पास, एंड अगर आप उसमें भी वही करें जो बाकी सब करते हैं तो फिर क्या फ़ायदा। अगर आप IIT JEE कर रहे हैं सिर्फ उस टैग के लिए या प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए, तो IPM क्यों नहीं। अगर आप दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी जाके एक डिग्री लेना चाह रहे हैं तो आप उससे बेटर जगह क्यों नहीं जाना चाह रहे हैं। अगर आपको ज़िंदगी में कुछ अलग करना है, कुछ नया सीखना है और कुछ नया करना है, तो आपको पता है कि आपको कहाँ जाना है। This channel is going to be all about IPM IIM. My team and I will try our best to help you along the journey to IPM. You can subscribe this channel to know more about the IPM programs in IIMs and also about their entrances. This was Arnav Singh signing off, and this is just a beginning.